Chevrolet Bel Air, the king of the 50s cruise. Take a step back in time to an era when Elvis was king, TV dinners were considered gourmet, and a certain magic was descending upon the American automotive industry. The darling of this golden epoch? None other than the Chevrolet Bel Air. This wasn't just a car, it was a rolling, chromed icon of the American dream. And boy, did it have presence. Picture this: a shark-nosed front end, tailfins that could make Cadillac owners green with envy, and enough chrome to blind a magpie. The Bel Air wasn't just about getting from A to B. It was about doing so with style, with panache, with a touch of Hollywood glamour. Each one looked like it drove straight off a film set. Underneath that glitzy exterior, you could find an array of powertrains, from the anemic inline-six engines that would struggle up a hill with anything more than a bag of groceries, to the thunderous 283 V8s that turned the Bel Air into a bonafide hot rod. The engineers at Chevrolet knew they were onto something. This was a car that could be driven by Peggy Sue's dad to the office and then raced down the strip by Billy Bob on a Friday night. Inside, it was like stepping into a mid-century modern living room on wheels. Bench seats that could accommodate half the high school football team, dashboards festooned with more dials and switches than a 747, and enough pastel colors to make a box of macarons jealous. This was a car where you didn't just drive, you cruised, and you did it in style. But here's the kicker. The Bel Air wasn't just about looks, it was a pioneer. It featured the legendary Tri-5 recipe perfected between 1955 and 1957, which included advancements like the small block V8, a lightweight chassis, and the sumptuous motoramic styling. These were cars that could do it all: win hearts, races, and the battle for suburban driveways. And let's not forget, this wasn't just confined to America. Despite its clear penchant for wide-open spaces and limitless highways, the Bel Air also charmed its way across the pond. You'd see them parading through the narrow streets of Europe like an overdressed, gold-plated matador. But it wasn't all sunshine and rock and roll. Try piloting a Bel Air around a corner at speed, and you'd quickly discover that it handled like a Boeing 747 on a go-kart track. The suspension was about as sophisticated as a pogo stick, and the brakes, well, let's just say they were more of a gentle suggestion than a command. However, none of that matters. The Chevrolet Bel Air is an icon, a rolling piece of Americana that continues to captivate car enthusiasts and nostalgics alike. It's a reminder of a simpler time, when the future was bright, chrome was king, and every drive felt like a first kiss. Like what you see? Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Icons for your weekly dose of automotive legends. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the classics that shaped the world on wheels. Stay groovy, folks.